Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Linda. In case you're new here, you're very welcome. I do weekly vlogs on lifestyle, travel and fashion, and today I'm coming to you with another hair video. So today I'm coming to you with a Cantu product review, and I have a few of their products in front of me. So I have their Cantu Shea Butter Cleansing Cream Shampoo, and it says it has no sulfates, silicones, parabens or mineral oil, so that's good for you. It won't dry your hair as you shampoo it. So directions for use is to wet your hair, massage into wet hair beginning at the root and work towards the end. Lather, then rinse thoroughly with cool water, and you can do it again. So for me, I'm going to be checking how well it lathers, because for me I like a really good lather. It makes me feel like I'm really getting out all the dirt from my hair. Then we have the Cantu Shea Butter Moisturizing Conditioner, and it says that it's made with pure shea butter to replace vital moisture, revealing stronger, healthier hair with a natural shine. And the directions for use is after cleansing with the shampoo, apply to ends and work towards the root. Apply to ends, so this is the opposite. This was for the shampoo, you apply towards the root going down, then for this one you apply down going up. So first things first, we have to go into the shower and wash the hair. So I'll be going in with 3 products: the shampoo, conditioner and detangler, and my white tooth comb. Guys, I always tell you, always use a white tooth comb to detangle, or your fingers, because if you use a small comb you'll be crying in the shower. So let me get into the shower and then come out and let's continue. Now that we are out of the shower, I'll be giving a review of the products from 1 to 10. So I really loved this cleansing shampoo. Like, I used very little and it lathered really nicely. So I'll give that an 8 out of 10. Then the smell is so yummy. I don't know, they've not written what it has, but it smells like passion, mango. It has a fruity smell. I wish the conditioner had the same smell, because once you wash this out, then you put the conditioner, it doesn't smell the same. For the conditioner, I felt like I had to use a lot of product for it to hold, or like for me to feel like I was actually having product in my hair. So I'll give it a 6. I've used better conditioners, but it actually left my hair very soft and very, like, my curls looked nice in the shower. So for that, for its effectiveness, I guess I'll give it an 8. I don't usually put leave-in conditioner in my hair because I feel like my hair doesn't like a lot of product, so I'll just be using a little product. I wish they all used the same ingredient for the smell that they did in the shampoo, because the shampoo smells so nice. So I'm just taking a little product and putting it all through the hair. Comment down below if you usually use leave-in conditioner and if you feel like it's a staple in your hair regimen, or if you can do without it. So today we'll just be doing a simple wash and go. So I used the lock method, liquid oil cream. So I guess for the liquid I used water. For the oil I'll be using coconut oil because I love it. And then now for the cream, I'll be using this coconut curling cream. And then just for time, I'll blow dry my hair quickly, and then we see how it goes. So I won't be putting a lot of leave-in because, as I said earlier, my hair doesn't like a lot of product. So they say just to work in a little from the roots to the tips. Make sure to get all the strands of hair with product, and then I'll go ahead and scrunch it for my curl pattern. It's quite light. I don't feel like I have a lot of product on the hair, which is good. Let's go ahead and do the whole head. I don't know if it shows on camera, but there are some places where I've put the Cantu curling cream and it looks a bit white. So I don't know if that will fade out once I dry my hair. The product feels very light. Actually, I feel like I'm not putting enough. So let's blow dry the hair as we keep scrunching and see the final product. So for the curling cream smell, I said I'd give it a 7, and for holding the curls, I'll give it a 8, because the curls are popping, although they're singular. But I'll find out how they look once I blow dry my hair. So let's blow dry the hair. So this is the end of the vlog. This is how my curls have come out. I like it. The hair is big, which I like poofy hair. They say that they also help fight frizz. So my hair is not as frizzy as it usually is. But I guess that's just that the curling cream has weighed down the hair. So we'll see how it is in a few days. So guys, my general review of all the products is each one of them, like you can use each one of them individually and get the benefits from it. Like if I was to buy only one product from this whole line, I'd definitely buy the shampoo. It smells really nice and use very little, and it lathers the hair and leaves it feeling clean. I'm also liking this coconut curling cream. I like the way it makes the curls light. Like my hair feels very light. It's a lot, but it feels bouncy and light and airy. So for effectiveness, I'll give it an 8 out of 10. Yeah, the product that I wish they'd make a few changes on is the conditioner, because you have to use a lot of it, and for some of us who have lots and lots of hair, we can go through a tub of conditioner like in a week like that. So comment down below if you use Cantu products, which are your favorite Cantu products, or if you'd like to see me do a review on any other hair products. Leave a comment down below and I'll be able to check it out and make sure to do a review on the product that you'd like me to do. So I guess from me to you, this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure to subscribe and to hit the notification bell so you can be getting more of my videos as I upload them. So from me to you, take care of your hair. Take care of your hair, girls, and love yourself.